Yeah, what's up, y'all? James here with Semi-Built. Today we're working on the 350Z, taking off the time cover, seeing which chain or tensioner is bad. Let's get started. So JC already here, working on it. Oh my, that shit dirty. Look at him already starting on it. Oh my goodness.
You know what I'm saying? Got to. Big ass engine.
Yo, I'm coming, hold up.
What's up? Your mom speaks Spanish?
Yep.
But you don't?
She never taught me. Put it like that.
She never taught you?
Put it like that.
You don't speak no Spanish, babe. At all? You lying, bro.
You don't believe me.
You lying.
Bro, I don't, bro.
You capping. How you don't speak Spanish but you Puerto Rican?
Huh? I'm coming. Huh? Here, bro. Take this one. That shit rounded.
Yeah.
Bitch ass nigga. That's all he do is cry.
This O-ring.
How that look?
I don't know even O-ring on here either. This gasket maker.
Update, we gotta take off the front bumper in order to get to the timing cover, get a better look at it. Nigga JC's a fucking slave. Taking out the reinforcement bar.
We're gonna have to do a part 1.
This is gonna be part 1.
Part 2.
Yeah, you gotta take off the radiator, the
Part
fan,
1's gonna be just taking the shit off.
That's what I'm saying. Part 2, we're gonna take off the time cover maybe.
What time is it?
We could probably do that now.
It's 3:30. We got about an hour of daylight left.
Right. Yeah, day 2 we're working on the 350Z, taking off the timing cover. Today we'll be doing that. Just gotta take the pulleys off and just reveal the timing cover, see what's up with it. Ooh, get you that good at. Since I'm waiting for the stuff anyway, I'm just gonna paint this. This is the intake manifold. I'm gonna paint it either wrinkle plus, but it's like a wrinkle black look. It gives it a wrinkle look, or I might paint it yellow. We're gonna see. So first, I'm just gonna hit it with a Scotch-Brite, scuff it up. I might sand it. I don't know. I might not need to. Then after that, just gonna get the painting. Whenever you're doing it, just make sure you tape off all the where the hoses go. I got the inside of that stuff with tissue. You got it covered right here. That's where. Now that it's all primered, I'm about to go through with the wrinkle plus, give it that little wrinkle look. So as you do it, you spray it. Once you do the first coat, you use the heat gun, heat it up, and it should give like the wrinkle effect. I'm gonna do probably about 2-3 layers of that. I'll show you the process. Alright, so my GoPro died, so I'm gonna show you. Hopefully this camera was good enough. Let me see if I can, you can already see the wrinkle effect that it gives. See the little wrinkles all over? That's the effect I was going for. Plenty of YouTubers use this. The main one that I know that I actually saw this use this first is Evan Shanks. Did it on his 2JZ Supra. I believe he did it on a couple of his Hondas. I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just putting the clear coat on right now to protect it. Look at that. What the fuck? That shit is fucking cool as shit. Shit. Let me do the last layer of clear. And we're gonna put this back on the car. It's dark out right now, so I'm gonna have to show y'all that in the morning. I just noticed I forgot to show y'all how to take it off, but here's a couple pictures.
Yeah, this might be my masterpiece. Life ain't feeling good, it's feeling great. Yeah, I made a few mistakes, but as of late, do what it takes. To the line, I win the race. Never had to beat the case. Twisted weed up, never lace. Ayy, ayy.